Hot Wheels Monster Trucks includes free new for 2021 crushed die-cast car. Check that out. I never had one of these before, and Bigfoot. So this is the front of the card with that crushed car and the die-cast Bigfoot. Let's go ahead and turn it around on the back of the card. Here are the other monster trucks and cars in this series. Bone Shaker and the Bone Shaker car. Then we have over here Twin Mill and the Twin Mill vehicle. Over here Piranha and the Piranha Terror little car you can get. There's Bigfoot, which we're gonna open up. The Hot Wheels Demo Derby and crushed sedan sudden stop. Over here we have Mega Rex and crushed van blindsided. And then down here we have Tiger Shock and crushed coupe speed bump. Let's go ahead and unbox this with the Bigfoot and Hot Wheels crushed car. This is pretty awesome, honestly, with the crushed car. I know a lot of people like these crushed cars from Hot Wheels. Here it is up close. In the back it has orange wheels, and then in the front it has yellow ones. It says Hot Wheels on the back there, number 68. You got some flames flying. Maybe it was like a demo derby car, and then they just turned it into crush it with a monster truck. Why not, right? So there it is, a lot of bumps, bruises. Very cool for a crushed car. And here is Bigfoot. Nothing new about this vehicle. It's the same as in the single packs, but up close, just so you get to see it one more time. A lot of different designs and sponsors on the Bigfoot vehicle. Back of the tailgate, up top on the roof. Let's see about this crushed car. You just set it there. It's going to move, so maybe, yeah. Oh, that's pretty neat. You can go either way if you wanted to. Having the monster trucks crush the car. So that's the unboxing. Thank you for tuning in.